I am a yellow cat and I like making music.
Let's play Shreddy like a game boy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 5. Haha, are you actually serious? You actually cut my rope, you dirty cheater, and I will never play with you ever again.
Do not run in the hall. 15 seconds. Punishment time for you. Maybe you will be less young next time. No running in the building.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2. You dirty cheater, and I will
60 seconds in jail time. I really don't know what to say about this. Do not attempt to escape jail. 60 seconds in jail time. Please do not do that again. Don't fucking escape your punishment. 30 seconds. Punishment time for you. Don't fucking escape your
No
punishment.
escaping from your timeout session.
I am the yellow cat and I like making musics. You are not allowed to enter that group. 60 seconds in jail time. I really don't know what to say about this. Do not attempt to escape jail.
Since this is your first time here, I will let you go. However, next time there will be
I am a
timeout.
yellow cat
Hey,
and I like
no
making
throwing arms.
musics.
So you broke the rules, 6 seconds in timeout. Hey, no escaping from your timeout session. You should behave after this. 8 seconds in timeout. Okay, no escaping from your timeout session. I don't want to do this, but I have no other choice. 10 seconds in timeout. Hey, no escaping from your timeout session. Guess you must real like breaking the rules. This is your maximum timeout, which is 12 seconds. Hey, no escaping from your timeout session. Guess you must real like breaking the rules. This is your maximum timeout, which is 12 seconds. Got it? You are real stupid, you know that?
I am getting my
45 seconds. Punishment time for you. This is why everyone hates you. Don't fucking escape your punishment. "60 seconds in jail time. I really don't know what to say about this. Do not attempt to escape jail.
Hey, no escaping from your timeout session.
You